All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Sawadee ka. Today we are at Blue Temple. Welcome to Chiang Rai. I can show you Blue Temple in Chiang Rai once on my tour. Let's go.
As you see, I'm bringing Pocky, well she's bringing me here on another tour to another temple, the Blue Temple. It looks absolutely amazing. I shall turn the camera around, you don't want to see me. You might want to see Pocky but not me.
This one is called Pra Upakut, the monk. You can ask for wealth in your life. Who likes blue color? Welcome to here, Blue Temple. Very amazing. During the day and the night, they close about 8 p.m. The huge dragon, we call Naka dragon water. Glass bowl.
Put your hand on it.
This is nice to get a photo shot. First to come to temple with donation 20 baht to get the flower and incense. For electricity and water, we helped temple to responsible. So we do here. Showering. Let's go. We teach you how to say hi to Buddha. First, you have to take off glasses, shake off your hat for respect Buddha. And one, do like this.
I can't do this, by the way.
Sadhu.
They have standing Buddha.
And then one time, กราบหนึ่งกราบสองกราบสาม and follow me นะโม
นะโม
ตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะพุทธังสรณังคัจฉามิธัมมังสรณังคัจฉามิสังฆังสรณังคัจฉามิ When you talk, you look at the eye of Buddha to praying Sadhu and then say goodbye to Buddha. Do like the same time. 3 times again. Okay.
Okay. My legs. Like that. No, that's me. When you put your legs, you're meant to put your legs there, but this is what I do. I can't do it. So I've got to get. It's difficult for me.
This woman sit like this. Can be easy for the race. If you can change position. If you get tired of like a numb.
Can I not sit like that?
Sit like this also for meditation. This one we can donation to make the merit by put money. The gold one 20 baht the silver one, 20 baht. Put your name on your birthday and your wish inside, and you make a play for Buddha and put it in. For you.
I'll get 2 of these tips.
A for me.
You've got the mic.
For me. And then you write your name on here. Oop.
Not very good at writing. I'm a horse. I was born in a horse year.
Okay. Now we going to pay you, and we can make a wish. It depends on how much power of your wish will be success.
Okay.
And then we put money in here. And we put this one in here. สาธุเงินทองไหลมาเทมา
There we go. All our wishes come true.
For this one, we donation the rice for 6 people on the bed on COVID time to helping they a lot.
Yes.
So 5 kilo, 199 baht. Put money in,
Yes.
and the monk Sao will pay for you.
ขอเชิญพุทธศาสนิกชนทุกท่าน ร่วมทำบุญถวายข้าวสาร เพื่อผู้ป่วยติดเตียงและคนยากไร้ฝ่าวิกฤตโควิด
This one show up that we writing something, then we put in here. Same thing. Then they put the gold leaf and silver plat in here. Put the gold leaf here. Put the silver leaf here.
I see.
Money in there.
Right.
Here you can make the gold leaf, small one. I don't know where, but they put this one under the tower of the temple. How many towers inside the temple? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 one in the temple to set up the root of the tower. This one the playing wealthy, lucky, forever, forever. Lucky, lucky. Wealthy, wealthy, wealthy. Yeah, go flat, put in here.
Yeah. There it is. And that goes on there.
Take a half. And you can wishing during you put this one in. You can have wealthy, something you don't have, wish you have.
Right, let's see
If
I
you
can
want,
do
you
that.
have money or in your bank. How many money you have put the money in your playing. Sadhu. Your turn.
Okay.
Open half. And the rest put in. Put like this.
Yes.
Okay. Praying, wishing. Sadhu. Okay.
Right, where are we going now, Pocky?
We go around the temple, show you. See your horse, the beautiful horse, your ear.
Yes, I'm a horse apparently. My sign is a horse. That's not a horse, that's a unicorn.
Unicorn. Nice, yeah. Cute unicorn. This one in Burma. Svedagong in Burma. This one, the ghost in Doi Suthep, Chiang Mai. This one, monkey. Monkey in Nakhon Phanom in the east. Northeast. Eastern Isan.
Is that?
This one, rooster in Lamphun. Lamphun is the next south of Chiang Mai. This one, dog. Puppy. Dog.
Dog?
Puppy.
Puppy.
In Chiang Mai.
Looks like
Opposite of Riverside Restaurant, the temple. This one, the pagoda of the elephant, or in Thai we call elephant.
Like
In Chinese we call pig.
a pig. I was going to say it looks like
Yeah, this one in Chiang Rai here,
Yeah.
on the mountain, up on the mountain near Burma.
a pig. Okay.
Over there is Naka dragon, dragon water or Naka. In Thai is at Wat Rong Suea in the old city. The end of from Thap Hai Gate to the end is Wat Rong Suea Temple. And snake Snake is the วัดเจ็ดยอด วัดเจ็ดยอด in Chiang Mai near Meyamong. And rabbit in Nan. Nan is the northeast of Chiang Rai. Chiang Rai, Phayao, Nan. And then tiger. The bottom of Nan is called Phra. วัดพระธาตุช่อแฮ and then the ox in Lampang เชียงใหม่ลำพูนลำปาง next and then the rat Mickey Mouse Mickey Mouse in Chiang Mai on the south Jom Thong Temple the way you go to the Doi Inthanon. This one is the pagoda of วัดพระธาตุสีจอมทอง meditation number 1 in เชียงใหม่
ขอเชิญร่วมทำบุญทำร้องนิ่งโสดเพื่อให้น้องเข้าใจตามกำลังศรัทธาขอให้ท่านจงมีแต่ความ
This is your donation for people who have no
Get sunglasses.
the place to put your dead body in. This one behind the temple, every temple have a pagoda. This beautiful pagoda. That's happy Buddha. Have money there. Hold
Yes,
money.
happy he's got money. Happy he's got money,
Wealthy.
look.
You can ask for wealthy. This monk we call พระศิวลี the Buddha of lucky. When he go to offering food, he in the forest. Have many people come to giving them a food because he have beautiful face, beautiful body, and charming. They like to giving them.
So he's just like me, that one.
No, the later he don't want people to come to like him. That make the scene for people to like the monk. So he wishing his body to make a big belly
Big belly.
and look like a fat. So any girl or any people come to him, it's just nothing like that to have engaged with him. So that's why this come from be happy Buddha.
Happy people are fat, apparently.
Not me.
Yeah, happy people are fat. Let's have a look.
Keep walking.
Okay.
Hurry up. Keep battery.
No, keep moving, keep moving.
Garuda. That one we part. Garuda. Do you know Garuda? Have the wing. This the white Buddha is big Buddha for us, and we have all of them 5 people. Being like the hermit, we have the different knowledge to know. All of them when Buddha young, they teach Buddha, and after Buddha success, Buddha tell them how to be success in the Buddha way meditation like this. They all follow the Buddha, and later all of them 5 people are success follow Buddha.
So that was the Blue Temple by Pocky, the tour by Pocky. We're saying bye now for the Blue Temple. Don't forget to watch the next one. I think we'll go to the Black Temple.
Okay, see you soon at Black Temple.
In Thai. It's saying bye in Thai.
สวัสดีค่ะ เจอกันที่พิพิธภัณฑ์บ้านดำนะคะ หรือ Black Museum